over the top like this. Da, da, da. No. Oh, colourful sweets. Who likes nice colourful sweets? What have I got that's nice and colourful? Oh, I know what I've got. I've got some dragon bogey. Should we put some dragon bogey in? Yeah, I've got a box full of dragon bogey. Hang on a minute. I'll get some more. Like that. Oh, look. I've got millions of it. Dragon stuff. There you go. Yeah, pop that in like that. I'll give that a little stir around. There you go. I know. Oh, put some water in it as well. Make it better with some water. Sit down, it'll be fine. So if you like sitting in front. Oh. And we give a final wave like this. Sit yourself down for a second. Oh, hang on. We need one final ingredient.
Sorry?
We need something that my mum puts in absolutely everything she cooks. Do you know what that is? Careful, go that way, young man. Where are you going? Get that way. This way. The stuff down here you really don't want. There you go. Can you just... There you go. Fly! Fly! Here you go.